going on, everyone? Little midweek maintenance. That should be a new segment. Getting the shop car ready for this weekend. Right now the weather is looking okay. It has been looking not great. It was like a 40-50% chance of rain. It was supposed to be like 50. Well, now it's 62 and like a 20% chance of rain with showers just in the morning. So we're planning to get the car ready for Friday night and then go back down Saturday, as long as everything goes okay. So I'm currently just doing a oil change with our trusty 499 VR1. Did a little bit more maintenance on stuff. You guys saw what I was working on last time, but I still have a little bit of a list to do, but mainly just maintenance stuff between races. So I didn't really have to change oil, but what the oil looks like after the dyno. We just didn't to get the car up to temp well enough. It was like we'd start to pull at like 120, 125 coolant temps. It was just really cold out and we had fans blowing on the car, so not ideal. So it created some moisture. I actually have moisture in the lines right now, so that's what we're going to be. Let me get this in here. So that's kind of what I'm working on now, just doing a little oil change. Other than that, we are pretty much ready to go for this weekend. Little hiccup, I guess. I actually ordered a new truck and it is not in yet. So we're currently kind of on the hunt for a tow rig, which is not great coming up to a race. So I think we found one. I think my wife's dad's gonna let us borrow his truck for the weekend. Hopefully we can make it work. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys before the race and take you along, but figured I'd just show you guys what's up and show you what we're doing midweek. I'll catch you later. Hey Mark, where are we?
We are at the track at Bonterre.
Finally.
Finally.
What, a year and a half?
Correct.
Not about
like
a year and 2 months.
Yeah.
Since we like actually started on it.
You guys have to call nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's been a roller for a while.
Yeah.
So I probably bought it. Yeah, a year and a half ago. Yeah. The car. So we're gonna make some passes, attempt some things, try things, see what happens.
Yep.
Should go good. The dyno was a good learning experience.
Yep.
Hopefully it goes.
We'll see if it can.
Marissa's over there. Yeah, hopefully full passes by the end of the night.
Yeah.
That'd be ideal.
Testing 10 tonight and then got a race tomorrow, so.
Throwing right into it.
Yep.
That'd be okay.
Trial by fire.
Yeah, exactly. Alright. We're gonna make a pass, I guess, eventually.
Yeah. Well, they just called track open, so.
Now open.
Yep. Alright.
Pass, come back. See if he comes back in one piece.
Stop.
Well, we gotta wait for the push vehicle.
I ain't gonna replug yet, I don't think.
What do you mean, we can push it?
I ain't pushing it that far.
No, you don't have the mount, do you?
No, I made it yesterday.
It's on
Put it
there.
on?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's part of the chute mount. The little dongle thing underneath the chute.
Fancy. Look at you.
Marissa's learning.
It took all day, but he did it.
Marissa's never been with me when we've been racing.
No.
You've only known me to have broke down cars.
Nerve-wracking.
So, alright, we'll catch you on the track.
Mark, what do you think? Successful? Made 2 successful passes. Matt, how do you feel for the second pass?
Pretty good.
Ran 580.
Pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Think we can get in the fours?
What'd you say?
Woo! Fours?
Fours.
Four's the ninth. That's what Gavin says.
There'll be a 4 on the time slip, guaranteed.
At some point down the list.
It'll be a
One of
4.
those doesn't.
The goal for tonight's 540 then? 550.
No, 580 out of the box, basically.
Pretty good.
Did you see what it shipped today?
No.
6,400.
Got a lot
Got a
to
little
go.
left in her.
We're good. We're good.
That's probably why it's dropping so much. It's such a low.
Well,
Yeah.
remember,
So we're going to see 540s tonight. I have faith in it. I'll get back to you on the next run.
right, so I'm going to give a post-race recap, I guess you could call it. I didn't get a chance. I didn't do too good at updating you guys on Sunday. Saturday we did a little better. Friday night is what I meant. Friday and Saturday. So Friday we went down to Bonne Terre for the test and tune. You guys kind of saw that. We went down there. I think we made 3 passes. 3 passes? Yeah, 3 passes. The first one, forgot to turn on the CO2. Rookie mistake. Kind of good that I did that though. It's been a long time since I've been in a turbo car, and just making 5 pounds off the brake was, a good introductory pass for me. So, yeah, made that pass, went like 580, I think it was, on 5.5 pounds, or I didn't even make a full pass. So it was like 6, whatever. And then the second pass out, turned on the CO2 and just gonna make the same pass. Ran it out the back, ran like 580, 583, 585, something like that. And then went and made a third pass and went 560, 570 on, I believe, more boost off the line or quicker ramp, something like that. And then, so that was pretty much the day. Ran out of time. It was, it's only like a 4-hour test session, so did that. And then we came back here, didn't get home till like 2:30. It's an hour and a half drive down there, ended late. Loaded up, came home, did some work on the car. I was having issues with the bump not working, and I was trying to PWM the bump. With the PMU, it doesn't work as I've been told. It doesn't work how I think it's going to work. So I just did a single bump, just like a normal, on-off type deal. And that worked great. Made it down the track. Made it down to the track about 3 o'clock for the Saturday night street race that we're putting on. And then got a test pass and I think that's when we did the 560. I have all the time slips inside, but made a test pass, and then we drew Blake Neely for first round, which is a super hard first round for us. We just don't have the seat time to, I guess, compete. It was a close race, but it wasn't, real close. I think, he was in the lower 5s. I was at 554 is what we ran. 554 at 125. So that kind of sucked. That was a first round, one of the harder competitors there. So, but it was fun. It was a good race. Came back to the pit. Before that, I came back to the pit, and then they were just on grudge racing, so we raced Samsel. So you guys saw that. And then we went a 4-5 out of 4. We're almost at 4s. Gotta have second. But we went a 549 at 125. So we're not picking up mile an hour, which kind of contribute to the converter, I think, is the main issue there. It's super tight, and I think it's bogging everything down. So send off some data logs, see what they'll say about that. But yeah, really couldn't be any happier for how it did. I was extremely impressed with how it did. Every pass we went faster, went straight as an arrow, no issues. The last pass was pretty cold, did get a little sketchy up top, but it's still a really good weekend of racing. The plan is this coming weekend, I'm gonna work on the trailer. We don't have a winch in there, and we don't really have a toolbox, so I'm gonna put a winch and toolbox in there. And then the 16th of April, we're gonna go down to the Autos for Autism race down at Bonne Terre. They have a small tire class, like $50 to enter, $800 to win. So that's where we're gonna be. Not really much to do on the shop car until then. It's pretty much ready to go. I don't might be a couple things I work on, but other than that, it's pretty well set already, as long as we don't find any issues, you know, getting ready for next weekend. So I'll catch you guys later, and we'll go racing again.